First arranging the cable based on color coding. This is white, orange, white, green, blue, white. Okay. And then arrange.
We are going to connect with this Ethernet cable.
Yeah.
RJ45 connector.
Yeah.
So this is the color coding.
Yeah. This is the arrangement. Wait. Yeah. First arrange the wire based on color coding. Then cut flat straight. White orange on the left side. Then RJ45 flat area facing up. Insert. Just make sure the color coding stay the same because sometimes they are switching it and
Okay.
putting inside. Then double check if good here. Also the end. You can see here all was inside flat.
All correctly went inside. And this
then,
is a
this is the crimp pin to RJ45. The 8 pin. Put it down. Before crimp, just push it inside. Push the wire inside. Then press. Then check if all pin was all pressed up. Then double check
again one time.
Yeah, just to make sure. Then double check the color.
So now we have done this.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.